Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to discuss the construction of a bridge. Primarily, we are going to discuss the concreting and the reinforcement fixing for the construction of decking slab. As you can see that we have casted concrete into our decking slab. Total thickness of the decking slab is 200 millimeters, in which precast slabs have thickness of 80 millimeters, while 120 millimeter is the thickness of in situ concrete. You can see that the concreting is done. Reinforcement bars had already been fixed. We had used Y16 as main bars, while Y12 were the runners. The total width of our carriageway is 7.3 meters and the length of each span is 15 meters. Apart from that, we are going to have walkways. Along with walkways, you can also see the reinforcements for the parapet wall. So after the construction of our decking slab, we shall focus on our parapet walls and the walkway. For each span, we had used 21 numbers of precast slabs. The dimension of precast slab is 2.06 meters by 2.3 meters. You may also see that the reinforcement bars are placed for the construction of retaining walls. On either sides of the bridge, we are going to have reinforcements so that the retaining walls could be constructed. So you can see that the construction of decking slab is completed and we had poured sharp sand for the curing. So guys, I hope you liked today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, goodbye.